it is not God. No one have powers than me.
Hey, Jehovah.
You see me here like this, you think I am a small boy. But in spiritual, I'm not a small.
You are not a small boy.
Yes.
Jehovah, you can let me vanish?
Yes.
Why would you let me vanish? And if I vanish, where will I appear?
You can go and appear where you don't know, or in your house, or you appear and come back here.
And come back.
Or I can let you stand here and you are in Accra.
Eh?
Yes. This snake is for my water.
It's for your water?
Yes, I can bring bigger than this one here.
Eh? You can bring bigger than this one
yes.
here? Oh, now you are kidding me. You can bring a bigger snake?
Yes.
But how come you are not scared of it?
Oh, it is my distance.
It's yours?
Yes.
So you don't fear it?
Yes.
How many do you have?
I have more than 300.
Hey! Nana, Nsuo, relax. You have more than 300 snakes?
Yes, in my house, in my shrine, in my room.
You have more than 300 snakes?
Yes. We have this.
Ish. Nana Nsuo, do you use mobile phone?
No. But if you call me, my children, the people that me and them work, they will take it.
They'll take
or
it.
my uncle or my father.
Will take the call.
Yes.
So you don't use phone?
No.
But you have a number?
Yes.
What is the number?
The number is on the screen.
You don't know the number in your head?
If I know it, I will not mention it. You know that more people are waiting me to come and work for them. So I have to go.
It is an film. Na reality. Show now they see what the small boy old native daughter they talk, because he's saying be small boy, but for spiritual way na old man. My native daughter for East, especially this my Anambra native daughter people, where be say una no dey let us rest. Show now see what the boy they talk, the native daughter. He said na he be the best for the whole world, and he no get phone. You know they come for social media. If you want do anything, if you want contact them, say he get people where they manage phone. Now those people you go contact, now those people go contact and say so person who need them. And when I see the strong, the powerful man, everything where they talk. But all this is my native daughter from Anambra State, you know they hear word from them. If you are saying at them, now I'm Mike, create the Facebook for. They follow us, they drag Facebook. So much shekere just where they go collect for what they call it for Ubu. We not go hear what again. People will get the jazz, we give na jazz, we give na the jazz, the power. They come, we know they see the now we collect small one, not to let us rest. The other one say he got many other than 1,000 power, say only one I get if he release them. Now I make the use our vote the do to bomb. Where the power there now? We know they still not again for social media because they talk about your election, they rig election, they no rig election. Nobody they talk again, all the native doctor. We know they see again, Abi. Once everything don't calm down now, you go say, hey, come for Asaba Stadium. If I not turn you for chicken, make it no say no be me. The other one go say, oh me what don't resurrect people for mortuary. Make una listen to what the boy talk. No, sorry, the man, the native daughter boy, old spiritual man talk. And they come back. My name is Kimo, in case you don't know me.
Also protection, but or shaky it.
Ujina asesiano. Ujina menchai.
Yes. As I'm with you, he won't do anything to me.
Yes.
So how long have you had this snake?
This snake is for my water.
It's for your water?
Yes, I can bring bigger than this one here.
Eh? You can bring bigger than this one
yes.
Here? Oh, now you are kidding me. You can bring a bigger snake?
Yes.
But how come you are not scared of it?
Oh, it is my distance.
It's yours?
Yes.
So you don't fear it?
Yes.
How many do you have?
I have more than 300.
Hey! Nana, Nsuo, relax. You have more than 300 snakes?
Yes, in my house, in my shrine, in my room.
You have more than 300 snakes?
Yes.
What do you use them for?
Oh, they are protection. You too, if you want protection, I can give you some.
You can give me a snake?
Yes.
So how will a snake protect me? It's fighting with you now.
No, I will see you are standing here.
Right.
Someone have planned with you that he can kill you or the person can kill you. So this snake will protect you.
This snake will protect
me.
How old, or I mean, what do you give this snake? Let's forget the age of the snake. How do you feed this snake?
Oh, if I leave them, it will go and eat.
It will go and eat and then come
yes.
back home.
Yes.
So all your 300 snakes, they go eat and come back.
Yes, they are in this water.
Oh, come on, man. How can
No, they don't not do anything.
But you can't tell me
as you are standing
water.
beside me,
They won't do anything
yes,
to me.
Yes.
So all the 300 are in this water?
Yes, they are more than 300.
Ish. Nana Nsuo, how old are you?
Me, I am a 17 years old boy.
Ish, Nana.
But I am spiritualist and I am journalist.
You are a spiritualist and a journalist.
This thing, herbalist.
And a herbalist.
Yes.
You are a spiritualist and a herbalist.
Yes.
You are 17 years old.
Yes.
But you don't look it. You look young, you look handsome, you don't look 17, man.
You see me here like this, you think I am a small boy. But in spiritual, I'm not a small.
You are not a small
yes.
boy. Which class are you, or what class are you, or what form are you?
Me, I don't go to school, but I understand English.
You
yes.
don't go to school.
Yes.
But why don't you go to school?
I wish they have given me work to do.
Which work is that?
I wish this water.
The water.
Yes.
So your work is to work with water.
Yes.
So because of that, you don't go to school.
And help people.
And help people.
Yes.
So you have decided not to go to school.
Yes.
You just want to help people.
Yes.
But you can still go to school and help people.
No. If I want to help people to go to school and be big men and big.
And be big women. But
yes.
you don't want to go to school and be
yes.
big men and big man. Big man.
I'm big man. I'm big man.
Now you are a big man.
Yes.
Allah wallahi. Nana Nsuo. So is your father happy that you are not going to school?
I have built house for him and give him cars. So he is happy that I'm herbalist.
So you are taking care of your father?
Yes, and mother.
You are the one taking care of your father
yes.
and mother?
Yes.
So how did you become a spiritualist?
This water take me.
To where?
To some place. But that is not anything and I can mention the name here.
So the water took you there?
Yes.
Where were you when the water took you?
That place. We have this water. You see it like this. If it is not me, you can't see in this water. You can't see. They are building in this water.
There are buildings in this water?
More building.
More buildings in this water?
Yes, in this water.
Oh.
And more human beings in this water. But if you don't have spiritual eyes, you can't see it.
But are you seeing them?
Yes,
I'm seeing them. How many people are you seeing now?
These people in here. Here is market. Here too is this thing, a station.
So there's a station here. There's a lorry station here.
Yes, I will see here is big.
Yes, here is big. Yes.
Yes, there is market and station. But if you go to the top there, that place it is a town.
It's a town.
Yes.
Market station and the other side is.
Yes, we have village in this water.
In this water.
Yes.
And you are seeing them.
Yes, I'm seeing them.
So are you seeing people now?
Oh, more people is.
What are they doing now?
Some are buying something, some two are walking.
Wow. And I can't see anything.
Yes. Say you don't have spiritual.
Yes, I don't have spiritual.
By me, I see them.
You see them?
Yes.
But you are powerful. You sound strange and you sound like, yo, man.
Like how?
You sound strange. You sound like you have some powers.
Yes, I have more powers than the people who say they have powers. If it is not God, no one have powers than me.
Hey, Jehovah. If it is not God,
yes.
no one has powers than you.
Yes.
Is your father aware that you have all these big
powers?
For you to know, his father brought him. His father brought him. So before you start saying, Arnold, why do you put a young boy on a platform like this? His father brought him, so I have full permission. Now, you say your father knows you are powerful?
Yes, he know me. I help him.
You help your father?
Yes, I help him. So he helped me. My uncle, if I send him right now, he'll go and do it. So I have to help him.
You have to help him?
Yes.
So apart from snakes, what else do you use?
Oh, I can let this thing, crocodile appears from this water.
Oh, crocodile appear from this water?
But I have something to do before it will come.
Before the crocodile will come out? And when the crocodile comes out, what does it come to do?
If you are standing here, the crocodiles know that me and you are standing here and communicating, so it will not do anything.
So once I am with you, I'm protected?
Yes, you are protected here.
But when won't you want to go to school and become a lawyer and become a doctor, a presenter like me, a director like Eddie, you know, a production manager like Sat, editor like you know, my man Legend, and logistics man like Desmond?
You know that me, I am boss, but you don't know. Spiritually, I'm boss.
You are scaring me.
Yes, I'm boss in spiritually.
Spiritually, you are
Yes.
a boss. So you don't want to do anything again in life.
Yes.
You will
I'm
never
boss.
go to school.
Yes.
Which people are under you? Since you are the boss.
More people. I can say all the world. All of them, they are under
They
me.
are under you.
Yes, except only God.
Except only God.
Yes.
Who gave you your powers?
My powers. This water gave me my powers. This water is holy water. God. They say some people will be saying if you are you serve God, it's not good.
Yeah.
God
Created.
created God. So it is not good. It is good.
It is good.
Yes.
So you serve God.
Yes.
Do you go to church?
No.
Why don't you go to
I
church?
serve God and God. I am Muslim.
You are a Muslim.
Yes.
Do you pray? Do you do
Yes, I pray.
Kidaro?
I pray more than this God I'm serving.
You pray more than the
Yes.
gods you are serving. You pray even more than the gods.
Yes, I pray. I serve two God. I serve this God and God.
God.
Yes.
That's what you serve.
Yes.
You are. Do you vanish?
Like how?
Can you vanish?
Yes. You are standing here. I can let you to vanish.
Oh, Yehovah, you can let me vanish?
Yes.
Why would you let me vanish? And if I vanish, where will I appear?
You can go and appear where you don't know, or in your house, or you appear and come back here.
And come back.
Or I can let you stand here and you are in Accra.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey, Charlie, there are people. I am here, but I'll be in Accra. And do you do that when you are going to places? Do you vanish, or you walk, or you take car?
Me, if I'm going somewhere, I can say something, or I can do something, and I'll be there. When we are standing here, I can tell you that I'm in Wale.
Eh?
Yes.
And you are there.
Yes, I'm there working by you. I'm working here too. And working at this thing, Tema. You don't know anything. You people, you don't know anything in spiritual.
It's
if
true.
someone tell you anything, you will say it is true. It is true. If I'm come to tell you something, you cry. You will not say it is true. You say it is not true.
I will say it is not true.
Yes.
But what is that thing you will tell me that I will say it is not true? Say
I'm
it.
not, I can't. It's not anything, and I'll come
You
and
can't
stand
say
here
everything
and come
here.
and say it.
So
here.
your colleagues, your friends, your mates, when they see you as a spiritualist,
Me, I don't have friends.
oh,
If you are not you are not a spiritualist, you are not my friend,
ow,
except only you.
ow.
Me, all my friends are dwarfs.
Hey, Charlie. Oh my God. Nana Nsuo in the building. Nana Nsuo in the building. All your friends are dwarfs.
Yes.
But how can a human being have dwarfs as their friends?
The dwarf, my boss, they are my boss. I am bigger than them, so they have to be.
Respect you.
Uh-huh.
How many dwarf friends do you have?
Oh, all this
The
world.
whole world.
I have some more dwarf in India, China, Netherlands, England, all there. And some people are there, they want protection. You there, you always call me. I will show you what to do.
Hey,
Or you want medicine, call me, I'll show you what to do.
what medicine do you
Yes, I have more medicine. Someone is there, you want protection.
have? Okay.
Protection like gun, or knife own. All of them, we have them here. Yes.
Wow. So if I say you are the youngest spiritualist in Ghana, am I wrong or right?
You are wrong.
I'm wrong, eh?
You are very, very wrong.
Hey, the youngest spiritualist. Eh?
I am the boss,
Yes,
but
yes.
rather not the.
Youngest. You are
Yes.
the boss of all spiritualists
Yes.
in Ghana.
Yes. It's not Ghana. The whole world.
Eish. Nana Nsuo. Nana Nsuo. You are the boss of the entire spiritualists in the world.
Yes. More people know me. I've helped more people.
They know you.
Yes, more people know me.
So have you been traveling to work for people?
Me, I can stand here, but you don't know that I'm in Wale.
Wow.
As I'm standing here, Wale too. As I'm standing there, I'm doing something different.
In Wale.
Yes.
And then in Tama, you are doing something different.
Yes.
In Ho, you are doing something
Yes.
different. You alone, you are at so many places.
I'm like God. Everywhere I'm there.
Ish.
Have you seen this water?
Yes, I'm seeing it now.
Have you seen it?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
I can walk, I can sit on this water and it will use me to everywhere I go. If I go to Accra, I know where this water is.
If you go to Accra, you
Yes.
know where this water is.
Yes.
Accra.
If I go to Yendi right now, this water, the bigger one is in Yendi.
The bigger one is in Yendi.
Yes.
And have you been going there?
Oh, there is my house.
Yeah.
You know that here is Kumasi.
Yes.
So won't you ask me that I do what and come and get this water?
Water. Yes. How did you do it?
Yes, the water goes everywhere. Yes. So if I go to Accra, I can go and meet this water there.
Go to Yendi, you go and
Yes.
get this water there.
Yes.
You said you built a house for your father and mother.
Yes.
How many houses do you have?
Me, it's not me use my money to build the house. The people that I help them, some of them they are good. If you help me, we will give you something that you will remember that I helped this person and he will help me. So more people have built. You to ask me that I do what and come and work in Kumasi, Accra and Sunyani.
Yeah, how do you work in Accra, Kumasi?
Because someone is in Kumasi. If I help the person, he will go and buy land and give it to me. You used to do your work.
So people have given you.
Yes.
So how many houses have people given you?
Oh, more houses.
More houses.
Some I've give some to some people.
Oh. Do you have cars?
Oh, by me I don't sit in car.
You don't sit in car.
If I want to go to somewhere, I can vanish and go there.
You don't sit in car.
Yes.
Ish. Nana Nsuo, do you use mobile phone?
No, but if you call me, my children, the people that me and them work, they will take it.
They'll take
or
it.
my uncle or my father.
Will take the call.
Yes.
So you don't use phone?
No.
But you have a number?
Yes.
What is the number?
The number is on the screen.
You don't know the number in your head?
If I know it, I will not mention it. You know that more people are waiting me to come and work for them. So I have to go.
You have to go.
Yes.
So I have to finish quick so
Yes.
that you go.
Yes.
Hey, Nana Nsuo, we can't keep him for long because the way things are going, if I misbehave, the punishment Nana Nsuo will give me. Hey, I've never been scared interviewing anyone in my whole life like I am scared right now with Nana Nsuo because the kind of things that Nana Nsuo is, Eddie, what are we doing with our lives, man? What are we doing with our lives, man? Nana Nsuo, God bless you. But please go to school for me. Go to school for me. Small. You just go.
No.
If you get to SS, then you
I'm
stop.
boss. So if I go to school, it is waste. And me too, I have more medicine here.
If you go to school, it is waste.
Yes.
So we that we've gone to school here, we've wasted our lives, crowd.
So you don't have work to do. So you have to go to school.
It's okay. Nana Nsuo, the way you are throwing bomb, Nana Nsuo says, we that we go to school, we don't have work to do. That's why we are in school. Thank you very much for coming. I appreciate your time. Hey, and you for watching. Thank you very much. Nana Nsuo has touched on everything. He's spoken about it. He's spoken about